Okay, so Vitaly and I had a good conversation a little bit about the letter W in English, and I want to make a quick little video for everybody so you can start practicing the sounds of W in English. And I wanted to share that with you. Okay, so the W in English. Here we go. And I'm not a professional like some people are, so apologize for that. So when we pronounce W, when it's at the beginning of a word, that's when we have that wah sound, not va, wah, wah. So we have like water, wait, want, wet, with, win, won, won't, woke. So again, when it's at the beginning of the word, we have that wah sound, not va, wah, water, wait, want, wet, with, win, won, won't, woke. One exception to that is the question word who that starts with the W, the W silent, who. The other question words will have that wah sound, the H is silent, what, when, why, where, what, when, why, where. The interesting thing with W is that if the W is at the end of a word, it is silent and blends together with the vowel before it. Makes it a long sound. Saw, thaw, claw, law, new, new, know, throw, blow, show. Now, did you hear that? Like new and new, same sound, right? New, new. So I don't know the difference. The sentence we use it in. Like, uh, example, Renee bought new clothes for Liliana at the mall. Okay. Um, this word K-N-E-W passive know. I knew some of you before class started. Then know, throw, blow, show. You notice that that word know, K-N-O-W, has the same sound as the word no, as in no, we don't want any more hot weather. So how do we know? Again, know, K-N-O-W, I know, Vitali, I know, Tanya, I know Renee, Liliana, I know, let's see, Hannah, I know Amir, I know Slava, I know um, Katya, yeah, I know Lubov, so I know you. Okay, I've met you, I know you. K-N-O-W. This word N-O-W, same sound, no, no, we don't want any more hot weather. So again, saw, thaw, claw, law, new, no, throw, blow, show, no, no. Now some short words with O will sound like, well, like ow, like ow, that hurt, ow, like that. How, then bow, cow, sow. Again, how, bow, cow, sow. Now, if W is in the middle of a word, we also make a blended sound, like vowel, towel, tower, shower. There's almost like a little bit of a Y in there too, if you hear it. Vowel, towel, tower, shower. So say these words with me. Saw, saw, thaw, thaw, claw, claw, law, law, new, 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 no, no, throw, throw, blow, blow, show, show, how, how, bow, bow, cow, cow, sow, sow, vowel, vowel, towel, towel, tower, tower, shower, shower. So I just want to make that because I did have a conversation with Vitali, And if any of you have questions about pronunciation or anything else, let me know because I'm here to help you. You're not here for me, I'm here for you. Have a good day. I'll see you Saturday. God bless.